Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna take a look and unbox this DJI Mic Mini wireless microphone. Works with iPhone and Android. It's got a receiver, transmitter, windscreen, little carry pouch, little magnet, mobile phone adapter, transmitter charging dock for two, camera audio cable, splitter charging cable, USB charging cable. I really like the box, I have to say. Small, ultra weight, discreet, just 10 grams, high quality audio with stable transmission, 10-hour battery, DJI Osmo Audio direct connection for premium sound quality, 2-level active noise cancelling, automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. I really like the product, the branding. It just feels like really professional. And of course, been told by a friend who does a lot of media and recording and stuff that this is some of the best out there. Probably also just a very good price quality ratio. So here we go, since I do end up recording various videos. Okay, so this part would have been nice. It's a really standard box. I think they're a nice little pouch. All right, so we got this mini guide, nice plastic around, and I guess this the pouch has got everything. Cool, I like it. Actually, I like it. I really like it. Very nice plastic all around. And okay, so got an extra little cable, and then you open it this way, and then you got, like we said, these are the two, oh yeah, the two magnets to basically hold it. They're very strong magnets. Wow, they're like some of the strongest magnets I've ever experienced. Then you've got this USB to USB-C cable. Then this is probably the mobile phone transmitter. I hope we have a couple of these. So no, actually, maybe one, maybe just one. This is the. I wonder if it's good to keep them in this plastic container. Well, just one of them, I guess. And then we got the some ASMR. So we got this audio to audio cable. Not sure how that works. Then we've got the USB to two USB-Cs. That might be for charging. Then we got the other mic. Got two mics. It's very nice, actually. Really happy I got this one. This is great for interviews. Got this silica gel. Not sure if it's worthwhile keeping in there. Whenever I have doubts right now, I just go and ask AI. Really curious to see what she thinks about that. And I guess this is a charging. Yes, well, there's some stuff that I don't really care if it gets dust. I guess like this charging dock, I don't really care. And it's kind of annoying to have to. Okay, and this is what like works with the. Yeah, this is like, I think this is like the brain of the whole thing. So this, yeah, probably the other charging. Oh, okay, got it. I think I got it. These two USB cables are for charging these two bases. Then that one USB cable is for charging this one. Okay, got it. Makes sense. And I think this is it. There's nothing else in here. It's a really nice pouch. I really think they've done a great job. So this is pretty much it. This is the unboxing. Pretty impressed by these mics. This magnets. I've never seen such a small magnet that is. Whoa! It's like I can barely separate them. Damn, I cannot even get them out because they're like really, really, there you go. Quite impressive, I have to say, this little magnets. Whoa. It's truly unbelievable. This makes me realize that if somebody makes somebody makes like a really strong magnet, like a big one, like you won't be able to move from there. Like a strong magnet can, yeah. So I would probably leave this here. So that, I mean, I guess I would leave this here. So that either you grab it like this, so either you use this, or you take away the magnet, and then you put it under your shirt, and you're done. It's cool, really cool. Been wanting this for a while. Glad I finally got it. Now let's put it to good use. So yeah, Mike, damn, magnets. I love how there's a little branding even on the magnet itself. That's pretty cool. So Mike, we'll keep them separated. Charger, audio to audio. Don't know what that really is for. Mobile phone connection. Very small, actually. It's really nice. That's really, really helpful. It's so small. Charger for the mics. Charger for the, I call it the brain transmitter, I guess. And yeah, we got it all pretty much. And this pouch is super nice. I'm just gonna cut this one, but it's super nice. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions or thoughts. Looking forward to start using this. Thank you. Bye-bye.